Hi guys, and now, well, in animating the rest of the layers, we want the red part to start from top to bottom in the turn the page mode and come down like a sheet, and this brown part starts to open from the middle. To do this, we first find those layers. The red layers is the same as layer 7. We change its color to red. The border layer is the same as layer 2. We set to specify only these two layers. From here, where we set the last keyframe, enter the motion for the red part, search the CC page turn. In the effect and preset section, insert this effect on the layer. As you can see, the corner of the layer come up. Currently, we have a fold position that shows how it starts to move if we move it. And now we have to insert the keyframe for the fold position. It is placed here first and out of the picture. We insert the fold position keyframe for it. Press U to show the keyframes. As you can see, it starts coming down like a sheet of the paper. We can even move fold position slightly to the left to move it from top to bottom obliquely. We insert the first keyframe here, insert the keyframe in the first, and we insert the final keyframe where it was, like this. As you can see, we have this sheet outside the logo, that it happens in the final image. To prevent this, set the layer to pre-comp, right click and pre-comp. Active move all attributes into the new composition item and then press OK. And then insert a mask on this comp that we created. That protrusion is no longer displayed on the composition page. We enter the composition layer we have created. Click on the layer that corresponds to the red layer. As you can see in the CC page turn effect section, that are variables that we can change. For example, you can see now that if we set the back page on none, the back of this layer will look better. Play to see how this works.